Welcome back, guys. अब हम करेंगे mass weight and density question 7 and question 6 paper 2. Let's start. Question 6. An electronic balance is calibrated to display weight of an object that is placed on top of its top plate. Figure 5.1 shows the balance with an empty measuring cylinder on the top plate. ये आपको एक empty measuring cylinder दिया हुआ है और empty measuring cylinder का of course एक weight होगा, which is 1.203 newtons. A student pours a small quantity of oil into measuring cylinder and records the volume and the new reading on the balance. Figure 5.2 shows the reading on the balance varies with the volume of the measuring cylinder. अच्छा, the gravitational field strength is equals to 10. Using figure 5.2 determine the density of the oil. अगर हम change in weight divided by change in volume करें तो will we get the density? And ultimately if we divide it by 10 because weight is equals to अच्छा अगर हम चेंज इन मास कर लें फॉर एग्जांपल इन सारी वैल्यूज को 10 से डिवाइड करके फिर डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम करें विल वी गेट द आंसर यस वी विल अच्छा पहले हम देख लेते हैं दिस पॉइंट इज 2.08 because each small square is 0.08 and this point is 1.203 1 minus 1.203 will give us the weight. This is the weight, right? Now we'll divide it by 10 because weight divided by 10 will give us the mass. This is the mass of the object. And हमने ये वाली values ली थी and ये वाली values ली थी. अब हम 0 से 196 I think. 96. अब हमारा mass आ गया mass is equals to 0.0877 I think. This is the mass. Now we have to figure out what the volume is. वॉल्यूम हम ये लेंगे यहां से यहां तक का विच इज 96 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब सो वी गेट अ वॉल्यूम एज वेल तो हमारा वॉल्यूम आ गया हमारा मास आ गया तो हम डिवाइड कर दें 0.0877 डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम विच इज 96 विच विल गिव अस अ वैल्यू विच इज इनकरेक्ट अच्छा जी हमने कहीं गलती की है 0.877 will be the difference here एंड यहां से यहां तक का डिफरेंस होगा 96 as I can see. Let's look at the marking scheme. अच्छा it is close enough. इस बार माफ कर दो. So yeah, that is the volume. आगे चलते हैं. Question 7. Equal volumes of metal, water and air are heated 20 to 80 degrees Celsius. State whether the metal, the water or the air expands the most. The air will expand the most. Very simple question. Just आप जरा ना explain करके लिख देना the air will expand most. B. Figure 3.1 is a diagram of metal at 20 degrees Celsius. The metal is a large square sheet with a square hole at its center. The sheet lies flat on the table. On figure 3.1, draw the outline of the sheet and of the hole after the metal is heated. Make sure the thermal expansion is. अच्छा, what will take place is the thermal expansion. Thermal expansion क्या होती है? When a object या कुछ चीज is heated, it will expand due to the particles moving around vigorously, increasing the volume of the object. So, for example, this is the final volume and this is for the smaller hole. ठीक है ना? So these two. मिल गए 2 marks. The metal has a mass of 5 kilograms and density of 7.5 into 10 raised to the power 3 kilograms per meter cube. Define density. Density is mass divided by volume or mass divided per unit volume. जो भी आप कहना चाहो. Calculate the volume of the metal. Give your answer to the suitable number of significant figures. So we have mass, we have volume. We have mass, we have density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. We have density, which is 7.5 into 10 raised to the power of 3, and we have mass. So we'll just simply divide them, right? If we simply just divide them, if we just divide them, we'll get the volume of the object, which will be, what is the volume? This will be the volume. तो हम ये लिख लेते हैं इधर. And this is the volume. Very simple question again. And three के 2 marks है. 3 marks पे 4 5 marks free. 6 actually. And this is also free के कुछ marks because like it's not that hard of a question, right? एक बार फिर calculate करके देखते हैं यार. Why isn't it correct? ये 0.28, 2.08, 2.08 minus 2.08 minus 1.203 divided by 10 divided by 96 will give us. I don't know why it's not correct. Yeah, let's leave it at that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.